Hello, my people. How una dey? Una good afternoon. Abeg more than no vex so that video wey I do just now, I go put the video more than lis ten. For abroad again. Hey, for abroad again. This one happen for Italy. I will put am because for some of una wey no dey hear the language, that makes me quickly talk wetin dem dey talk for there. This woman dey waka for road, you know na oyibo. Anything wey dem dey call dog, cat, any animal at all, dem dey protect them. This woman dey waka come for road. You come see say this black person, I no know where e for come, I no know the country, but na black person. Wetin dey do? E dey roast cat for road. Oh God! E dey roast am. Na the woman come dey tell am say, why you kill this cat? He say because food not there, he wan eat am. Then that one tell am say, you know say for our place we dey carry all this cat, then they stay for inside house. Oh God, oh God. E dey roast am for road. He say because of food not there. Why e be say some people they say if you reach if you go another man country, now wetin dem dey do, now you go dey follow them dey do. Those people, all these people wey just dey newly dey come, because I believe say this one never reach 1 year for Italy there. E kill this cat, e dey roast am for road, and this woman tell am say he wan go report, he go go report say he kill cat, e dey roast am for road, say he wan eat am. Also na dey hear me more na no vex. Oh God, as I see the video now, I say me I still share am. I go put the original video for them more na see am, because wetin dem dey talk, not be everybody go know wetin dem dey talk. As I just see am now, say God, which kind thing be this one? Wetin dey happen? Cat wey dey, no say oyibo, some of oyibo dey, even though say they no eat, they ready to spend 500 euro a month to buy food for their cats with their dog. No touch am, no touch their cat or their dog. Hey, this one just dey roast am for road. I'll put the video so now see am well. For those of una when I still dey hear Italian language, una hear where the woman dey tell am say, why you kill this cat? Why you kill am? They stay for inside house. That one, the man dey tell am say food not there, he wan eat am. He said they no dey eat a cat for this. Now wow. Some people wetin dem here wey no more go wa or ya so wetin dem carry come for Africa, they will make sure say they carry am put for here. Now so they go see, okay, like this one now if they go report now, they say na camp, because na camp, na the camp area na this thing for happen. If they go report now no say anything, if you maltreat a dog or cat, then they come for you. Anybody wey just see you, go donation. Say see as we see wetin happen. E no come see 2 euro or 3 euro take go buy meat for this thing for supermarket. E go kill the cat. They roast am for road. Even do the something say when they do am for main road, now where dem dey pass, so everybody go dey see. If when they do am for main road, that one now you go report, say see the video, see everything. They'll come say black people don't start, because me I don't know where this one for come. This black one, this black person, I don't know the country where it be, because I just say na black person and na camp. You there for camp, not be say they not they give you food eat, because anybody where there for camp where say they not they give them food, na lie then they lie. Well, now so now when you there for another man land, you see wetin dem dey do, follow them they do that thing. No carry your own come, because you know there for your own country, not be your own country you dey. Now their own wetin dem they do, you follow them, still they do am. This one no, see am now. When they'll come still talk now, they'll say Italian people no good. Who tell na say Italian people no good? Now they be the best for Europe. As for me, now they be the best for Europe. This kind thing no fit happen for Germany now. It no fit happen, not true. Because they too see all these Italian people finish. They too see them finish. You come another man country, you they do anyhow. Do as they say they do. At least, maybe for that camp, they'll still they give them money. Una know say for Italy, Italian people, they take care. They take care pass their old people, all these people where they come, all these black people where they come from another country, then they take care pass their old people, even their people, then even the verse say, the way when I say they handle all these people where they come from another country, now not they do us like that. Why? Not truth. You know why? Because Italian people then too, what they call ogoyozo. As I talk now, ogoyozo. That is then too they get that pride where they don't want me another person. They tell them say then they bad, so they don't want to pass their self. You understand? They do pass their self, make them say, we too good. Now make them they do that thing. Because Italian people will be Italian, they vex say the way when I tell they take care of all these people where they come. And I know they treat us like that. Because you go see, they know they make them anything at all when they ask them, they give them. But all these our people where they for camp, they will say they know they treat them good. Which everybody knows say now like say that they treat them good. You see? The person now just carry cats. Ikina, if they roast for marriage, even they tell the woman say food not there. Say he want eat am. That one they quarrel say how you go kill a cat? They eat am. We they treat them as pikin. We they put them for inside house. I'll put the original video. Someone for see the video. Because what thing you they do for Africa? Maybe you they eat a dog. You they eat a cat. You they eat am for that side. You know come carry account because now you never see any. You never see any of them. They carry their cats, they kill and they eat them. They know they do them. Even some of these white people say, they would vex say, why you go they kill a cow or a chicken? Then some of them they vex. Don't they say, animal when they tell they do picking. Oh, we are then here why I want more. They tell they do picking. You will see some people now, some more the day or when they go late, they go write a will down say anything where you get, more carry and give a cat or a dog. The thing tire me as I see the video, I just put my hand for my head, say, hey, this one, never even see this one before. Where this one for comment? This one now, maybe just come, never even take away, come. Maybe just see the cat, go say, hey, I know, say, some people now, they eat them for our place. I never eat them before, I don't know as it be. They will say, hey, you go say, all this cat will just the pass now. If I catch her now, I will just, now this one do so. Now this one do so. You will see some people and they will say their dog he lost or their cat he lost. And they will say so they will just print and come out, write and put say I beg this cat lost or anybody where see him, I go give oh God. Anybody where see him, I beg call so this number. I get something to give you if you feel see my dog or my cat. I dey see everything with it. Now wow, my people, the thing just tire me as I see and I say, I don't know where this one for come. Whether na Nigeria, whether na Senegal, whether na Gambia, I don't know where for come. But na black person now say it be because the Italian language where they speak self, not clear. He say he want majari. That one they tell us. I go put the video more na watch her. I go put the thing tire me as I see the thing just tire me now. I say, hey, what it be this one? Because I play the video for live this thing, not talk. So I go put the original video more na watch am. Some of una wey see the hear Italian language, una the hear where the woman they shout for. Una know Igbo now. Some Igbo we really love all this animal. They know they use until they play with anybody. That one of the video and carry a phone for hand the video now. And another person I video this one where this one where me they show. So another person that one they talk say what they do. Say na cat. Say na cat and they roast for them. No so Igbo be. When they go still go fire them for that camp now they will say Igbo people don't start again. They know they use all these things they play with anybody. They know they use that play because they treat them and they treat their own children. So even some people they self, you go buy this carrot when they take the carrot picking, they will put their dog for inside, put their cat for. They treat her like baby. Maybe this one now where the cat now where this one kill now person you know say some cat there now they will get something for where they call now whether they put something for their neck. Maybe for no say now family cat now it be. Maybe now this one just carry for Joshua now, kill her, and the person will get and go they find out they go. You know say, oh now wow. They will go the Dunucha say my cat lost, so and they say one person for this side, now they roast, and they just they do one for main road, the worst part of it. They can't they do one for road. Now make that woman for see am. Eh? I will put her. I will put the video, Sister Stella. I will put her. I will put her because I able dey play and just not gree play. So I go put the original one so that people where they hear the language now, they hear when the woman they attack and say, I go denuncia you. Who tell you this a cat? Will they treat them like picking for his house? That they stay for his house? Now so now. So even some of them, even though say they not get money to eat, they're ready for their own animal. Treat them well because they believe say now they are picking. Eh? So this one just carry a killer. If they roast am for road, say one eat am. Now wow, my brothers and sisters, I will put the video. If I just finish now, so I'll put am. I just say I just see and the thing just surprised me now. So I never even see this kind of thing before. Since where I there abroad, I never see person where they roasted this thing for road. He go say he kill am, say one chop am. Eh? You know, see money to go buy food. Now animal now you want to eat like this one now. Maybe really now it go be person e go be person near there you there for camp, you know, if you talk say they no dey give you food they eat, they give you, they treat you now well because all these our people wetin dem dey do for Italy, they no fit try am to another country because Italia they very kind and they very good, they too I know open mind, you know, say and the way when they take they do self, you don't know because some of them they talk to the anyhow the country will not be your own. Like this one now, as if this lady now don't video now, it go really as she talk and say she go denuncia, she go do one. Una go here for the video, I go put her. As she talk and say I go denuncia you, I go put, she go really do one because the lady way stand for there they talk so I believe say now those people will love animal when we know say some Igbo dey. He love animal like say na another thing. He love them. Now make am stand they talk to them because some of them they don't care. They will just pass. It go pain and but they not talk. But this one where stand on the video now that kind of person where if you even if you kick animal, say maybe all this dog or this thing, if you do it go stand it go stand for you, say why you go do that kind, you know. Now that kind of person and that lady be as I take see the video, I go put the video as I take talk because as she talk and say she want go denuncia because that place where that boy for the roasted this this bush meat na a bush meat na camp na there be some people they eat am some people they eat am, Sister Stella. Some people they eat am, they say that they eat am. They hear when some people they talk say if you even dog say that they eat am, they will, that is from their side though. But wetin they know they do for here, make they not come they do am because if they come they do am, you know say they will come they insult. They will say the thing say na so we be. Say as you stay, you will fit eat a dog and cat, you go fit still eat human being because they believe say this cat and dog na human being for them. Now they are picking, then they treat them as same they be. So go bath them well. If you see the way when they tell they do, they not even they maintain their self as they tell they do some of animals. So they buy gold, they go put am for a neck. E dey. You go say this thing, you go say no. If you see you get one woman that time where the woman before the woman late, he write am for ground say this is cat, whether na 7 cats now you get that time be I don't know. He will everything for a cat. So anybody will want take care of, they take care the money put am for bank for a cat, not be saying a person, not be saying a human being. Now wow, my brothers and sisters, I just see the something now say me a quick put her for the mona see wetin dey go on. I go see put the original for here so mona see and say see wetin dey happen because no be all Igbo they do as this woman take do. Some of them they not care, go just pass, but the thing go pain now. I believe say this woman na person wey love animal. You know say some of them they inside their house they go get me. I don't see person wey get 7 cats. He get 8 dogs. Then dey for inside his house. Now say as una take dey live. He say they get one room where they stay. Now say now wetin he just love, now wetin he like that one. I go carry one. Say you want go roast am. Hey, my brothers and sisters, me I leave una, me I put the video, mona watch am. They say Hokoru nyanda say what you walk by your talk, or you not by woduku. Because all these people, what you not see say that they do, not for not do one. Because if you can't do one, problem can't bust now. Everything no say some that area now. If people will love animals, they go fire them for the camp where they for them. How you go kill them? You remove your life. You want eat them? Who be? They of course say that they fight them for camp. Now wow, now wow. My brothers and sisters, now so I see am. Now so I see am. Now so I see. I will put the video more na watch am. So you might be there. That's why I talk. He say why eat am. Now see am. I will put am. That one say why you kill am. He say why eat am. Say nothing there to eat. Now that one ask am say why you see you get money to buy cigar. Why you not see the money wey you take buy that cigar where you dey smoke? Why you not use am take buy food to eat? Why you go kill this innocent cat? I will see so that those of una wey dey hear Italian language una see where the woman even dey talk for them. Una bye bye my brothers and sisters. Me I put the video more na watch and na do one. Bye bye.